Hello, friends. It is Denise from Loving Life at 60ish. And this is one of two videos that you should see today on Monday. Only because this is an Etsy shop drop video and the other one is the Magic Monday minis. So, you know, you'll get double the fun today, right? Happy Monday. And it is, it's overcast now. It's been sunny all day. But guys, I'm here with the July kit. And as some of you know, I have really struggled with July's theme because there are so many cute red, white, and blue images and thoughts in my head. And I did some AI creations and I loved them, but remember at the beginning of the year, I said, although I might make it seasonal, I'm not going to make it holiday themed because not everybody celebrates holidays. Not everybody cares about, you know, a red, white, and blue kit. Or they might not celebrate Christmas. And so I don't want to do Christmas and such. So I had July's all figured out what I was going to do, and then felt like it was too similar to August. So I went back to the drawing board, literally, and I came up with all these different things. At first I thought, okay, I think I'll do fairies because my grandson and I always set out all of our fairy garden stuff in usually the end of June, 1st of July. And so I started creating around fairies and some beautiful, I think, gorgeous AI images. And then I thought, I don't know, maybe I should do Life's a Beach. No, I'm sorry. Nope, that wasn't it. Let the Good Times Roll. That's what it was. And I was going to do like poolside and picnics and stuff like that. And again, too similar to June's and August. So I thought, okay, no. And so then I did by the poolside. Yeah, I wasn't inspired. And then I did It's a Jungle Out There, which you guys plan on seeing a kit. It probably won't be a monthly kit, but I am in love with the things that I designed for It's a Jungle Out There, but it wasn't singing July to me. So guys, I went back to the fairy board, and I ended up doing fairies, and this is the July dashboard. I'm going to tell you wholeheartedly, the May monthly kit has been my all-time favorite kit so far. This kit, July's kit, has bumped May out of the running. It is by far my favorite kit. Image-wise, just the little games, and I'm just excited to do it. So right down to the freebie that I'm offering. So there's the July calendar. This one is the Monday start because I use the Monday start. Even though, yes, my calendar on my wall is a Sunday start, but I prefer the Monday start for planning a week because then you have Saturday and Sunday together. So the fairy door in the background is an AI image that I created. And then we've got a couple of fairies in July. And of course, you can save, I save $1 on whatever days I work on one of my July goals. So there's that. And then there is the Hello July page that we have in every kit. And this is Shooting Stars. And there's 31 of them, hopefully. And you save $1 for each one. So you save $31 by the end of July. And the dashboard is very similar to that because the dashboard always has the hello whatever month on it. And then the next one is, I gotta say, probably, besides the scratch off, probably my favorite thing. I do the brick wall games. I've got the Wicked Witch, I've got Spider-Man, I've got the penguins, the Happy Feet penguins, I've got Rapunzel. Well, now we have Help the Fairies Get Over the Garden Wall. Isn't that great? So you're going to save $215. I think I need to re-add it and make sure that that's correct. And basically you just, every time you save, color in a brick with that amount. So if you're going to save $3, you color in that brick. And you'll see some bricks are empty. And it's just, it might be because the image was going to be over them or whatever. So I just left them empty. But we have a garden wall with a little gardening bench. And then we have some of these fairies, by the way, on here are, well, actually, I think all of these fairies are my images. Yep, they're all AI images that I did. So you're going to see those in other places, not in this kit necessarily, but coming up in future things. I did a fairy Plinko because honestly, the last time we had Plinko was in February. And so I did a fairy Plinko. Each fairy is worth a certain amount, $2, $5, $3, $1, $6, $4. And you know how to play Plinko, right? You're going to roll the dice, and it's a 6, so I'm going to put it on 6, and then 2, and then 5, and then 2. I don't know why I'm talking like this. And 4, and so on 4, I'm going to save $1. So that is the fairy Plinko. And then the next one is a game, a fairy game. Stroll through the fairy garden, roll 1 dice, and move around the game board, saving the amount in the space that you land on. Now, some people will play this and cross these out, which is perfectly okay. Cross them out as they go. And sometimes you might play it as a game board, so you just keep playing over and over again. There's a roll the dice and save. There's a roll the dice and double it. I almost did a roll the dice and triple it, but where these are monthly kits, it's better, I think, to keep the denominations down a little bit. So there's a little fairy town here. And you're just strolling through the garden with the fairies, the different fairies. So there's that one. And then I love the bright colors, you guys. I have to say that. And then this is another one of my AI images. And you guys, I am in love. I mean, I almost always appreciate what I do. It may not be my style because I'm doing it for someone else or something, but this just makes my heart beat faster. I mean, I am just in love with these images that you're going to see. There is my AI image. Now, I will be perfectly honest. I created several of her, and in every single one of them, she had 3 arms or 3 legs or 1 leg and 2 feet, because AI just cannot get feet and arms correct. I don't know why, but they can't. But this was one of them that I absolutely loved. It's so striking, and the colors are just amazing. She's got rainbow hair. So this is a scratch off. I always end the kit with a scratch off. This one is more than usual. It's a save 72 and the denominations are 1 through 10. So that's the kit with the dashboard. Then we have the freebie, which is similar to one that I made, oh, I don't know, sometime last year. It had a little girl on it. She was blowing dandelions, and you saved you saved whatever you wanted to for each little dandelion head. But this is the freebie for this time. Dandelion Wishes and Fairy Kisses. And you're going to save 1 through 6. And so 1 through 6 is $21 on each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did not write on here how much you're going to save. So you're going to save $126 if you play it this way. But again, you guys, you know, you can always double them or triple them or half them, whatever you need to do. And because this is a freebie, it does say, thank you for your order. We do a happy dance with each order we receive. Denise. And so there is that. And this is a half sheet. This is the same size as the rest of the kit this time. So you can hole punch it and put it in with the kit. That is the freebie. How long will the freebie be available? Guys, sometimes it's available forever and ever. Other times I only print off a certain amount of them. And then when they're gone, I don't print off anymore. So it's hard to say. But for now, when you purchase the kit, you will get the freebie. And you know, usually mid-month, so usually the middle of June, I'm starting to think, okay, how many more freebies am I going to offer? So that just gives you a little hint. All of the June kits that I have shipped out got the freebie in theirs. I hope. And it was the coloring page. I'm pretty sure everyone got it. So that's the kit. And then, of course, I've been doing add-ons. Add-on 1 is 2 more scratch-offs like I've been doing. And these are more AI images. And again, I'm just in love with the colors and I don't know, they're so whimsical and bright. And I just love them. So this one is a save 60. I tried to give a variation. That one was a save 72. And this one is a different woman than this one. This was more, whimsical, cute, I guess. And then this one, this was a lady fairy. And then the second one is a save 50. I just love them. People ask all the time, will the scratch-offs be available separately? And I'm trying as hard as I can, you guys, but the scratch-offs will not be available separately right now. Maybe at the end of the year or the beginning of next year, maybe. But they are... I do have other images similar, and I may put those into scratch-offs. So those are add-on number 1. And then add-on number 2 is minis again this time. And this was another set of images that I created. And these are more like her... but more folky, I think, more folksy. So there's this one. There's 3 minis. And you color in the mushrooms and you save however much you want for each of the mushrooms. You could roll the dice. You could save $1 a mushroom, however you want to do it. And that's the image of her. She does have 2 arms and 2 legs and 2 feet. And then this is a save $5 on the flowers. See, she's a kind of similar, but this face is more defined than this face, as far as this is more, feels more folk arty to me, I guess. This is a save 80, $5 each flower. And then here's another one. I'm just showing you a close-up of the images. And this is a you decide how much each flower is worth mini. I have not been using the minis with my kits. Not for any particular reason, but I kind of wish that I was. So what I thought I might do is pull a mini. I think I've done 3 or 4 minis. There's been a freebie mini and stuff like that. So I might pull one out of each set and put in with my binder with the other stuff. And then the other ones can go in my Magical Monday minis. And these smaller scratch-offs I've been putting in my scratch-off night binder. That's it, you guys. By the time you see this video, hopefully this will be up in the Etsy shop. Same as always, the price is set, and then in a, usually, I'm not good at changing the price, as you might notice, but usually about 2 weeks after I post it, I've met my amount, my maximum amount at that lower price. It's about $5 less. I think it's a couple of bucks less anyway. And so then I up the price on it a little bit, just so that you know. But there you go. All right. I will see you real soon. Literally, I will see you real soon, because I'm going to do Monday's Magical Monday minis in a few minutes. There you go. Happy saving. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. And I hope you love the kit. All right. I will. Oh, the other thing is the kits January through June are going to be available in a bundle real soon too. So all of them available at once. I think. I'm not sure. I think. Okay. With that, I'm going to go, and I will see you real soon. Bye.